Welcome to Study Loop.
This question is the same structure as the previous question 8.61, but this time we have to find the maximum force P that can be applied to the clamp if the material has the allowable normal stress of 180 megapascal. And if we draw the 3D diagram of the clamp, we can find the value of N and M, the normal force and the bending moment as follows, and also find the A and I from the cross section. So first, if we assume that there is tension failure, we know that the allowable stress is P over A plus mx over I. And from the previous question, we found that the maximum tension occurred at x of 0.026. So the allowable stress is 180 times 10 to the power of 6 is equal to P over A plus M times A over I. So that makes P equal 13.5 kilonewton. But if we assume that it is a compression failure and it occurs at x equal 0.07 minus 0.026, so the allowable stress is minus 180 times 10 to the power of 6 equal P over A minus M x over I. And however, in this case, P is 9.08 kilonewton, and we will see that the compression failure provides the lower maximum load, so we have to use that one for the answer.